Hello guys, you are on Yellow Garage channel. We are starting the videos about building a room for woodworking. This is our first video and I think we will have 3 or maybe 4 parts about this. This is one of the basement rooms of our garage and it is 9 square meters. We are going to build woodworking shop here, but we have a problem. Here is only one entrance from above and it is these stairs. It is important because we cannot load sheets or boards through this way. There isn't enough space here to pull down or bring in some materials. Alright, let's get to work and fix it. So guys, that was our main goal. As you can see now we have free space between wall and stairs. Let's check it and try to pull down some materials. So as you can see, this works and this means we will working on transform this room for woodworking place. Thanks for watching this video.